I've been looking into endurance car warranty, and in this video, I'm sharing my honest and unbiased review for 2025. We'll go over everything from coverage options to customer experiences. So by the end of this video, you'll know if Endurance is the right warranty provider for your vehicle. Let's dive right in. Endurance Car Warranty is one of the leading extended auto warranty providers in the market. What makes it stand out is that it's a direct provider, meaning you're dealing directly with Endurance rather than a middleman, which can simplify the claims process and customer service. They offer a variety of coverage plans, from basic powertrain protection to more comprehensive plans that cover brakes, electronics, air conditioning, and more. One of the highlights is the Supreme Plan, which offers near bumper-to-bumper coverage, giving drivers peace of mind against unexpected repair costs. Another plus is that Endurance plans come with perks like 24/7 roadside assistance, rental car reimbursements, and even trip interruption coverage. Plus, you'll get a year of Endurance Elite membership for extra benefits like key fob replacement, tire repairs, and even identity theft protection. However, it's worth mentioning that some customers have reported mixed experiences with claims processing times and upfront costs. While many appreciate the comprehensive coverage, others have noted that certain repairs require pre-authorization, which can delay service. Pricing depends on your vehicle's make, model, mileage, and the plan you choose, so it's important to get a personalized quote and read the terms carefully. Overall, Endurance Car Warranty offers solid coverage options and valuable extras, making it a strong contender if you're looking to protect your vehicle in 2025. But as always, compare it with other providers and ensure you understand the fine print before making a decision. That's it for this video. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.